Okay, I'm gonna do an unboxing video, except for I already kind of started with this, but this was so nice. Look at this box from Poshmark seller. It says, well, what are you waiting for? Open me, from our family to yours. I'm super nut-tastic and I taste delicious. Okay, but guess what? It's not nuts. I was so excited. What is it? I bet you're hungry now. I'm so excited. Open, open, open. You're so close. Okay, this is a box. What's in here? It's not nuts. It's Jimmy Choo shoes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at these. They're so beautiful. Made me really happy today. Oh my God. Look at these Jimmy Choos. I'm so excited. These are so gorgeous. Okay, but guess what? There's not just one pair. I ordered 2 pair Jimmy Choos. Now, where's my knife? I'm gonna open this. Okay, what do these look like? I think these are even better. Okay, I had a knife. I was so excited. Okay, Jimmy Choo's shoes. This is pair number 2. Okay, I'm not very good at. Hold on, just be patient here. Be patient. Okay, pair number 2. These are even better. Okay. Ta-da! All right, look at it in the box. Look at the real Jimmy Choos. Okay. Oh, look at with perfume. Okay. Oh my God. Look at these. Look at these are Jimmy Choos. Jimmy Choo shoes. Look at, oh, she gave me all these samples of perfume, hair. This is a good thing right here. Hermes. And I got the box. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's the original price. I did not pay that much. Look at these. This made my day. Got 2 pair. Now I'm excited to go work out. I was trying to get motivation today. I think I got it.